Everyone, today is Sunday 2. Our daily devotion is titled The Church is God's Body. Our verse for today is Understanding the Church. Our verse is Genesis 1:26. Then God said, "Let us make mankind in our image, in our likeness, so that they may rule over the fish in the sea, and the birds in the sky, over the livestock, and all the wild animals, and over the creatures that move along the ground." For our number one, the church was in the very heart of God before foundation. So, church was in the heart of God, even without finishing the whole world, even before the foundation of our world. Therefore, church is one of the center things that we, mankind, should embrace. The church was created in the image of God, intended to fill the whole world. We are the church. We are where we church is not a building that we praise and worship. It is a person who are living in their life like how God wanted them to be. Church is someone who claim that they are sinner but keep on pushing their limits so that they became worthy to become part of God's life or to be with Him soon. The church is will over all creation under God. We are called to rule over all creation because we are image of God. We are His likeness, right hand to help to organize things in the world. For our foundation of your relationship with God above, it is the most important relationship that you should have. This relationship with God. You should value it more than anyone else. Live out the image of God restored in Christ. Must live out the image of God that we can see through Christ, through the Bible, through the use of God. May be Christ-like, as it is true and take dominion over creation. We must take over dominion over creation, and we should be ruled by God, by other people.